हेलो गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इनविजिबल ट्रेडर। वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छे लगते हैं तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और बाकी लोग को हमारे साथ जोड़िए। कल रात को तो हमने कोई वीडियो बनाया नहीं था, बट मैंने जो डिस्कशन ग्रुप है उसमें बोला था कि आपको बाई ऑन डिप्स करना है। दो आई हैव नॉट रिकमेंडेड पी, but I have clearly told that you don't take C because market might gap down, but you have to buy that gap down. Of course, we didn't discuss levels because we didn't make the video. But anyway, so there is nothing to review, but buy on dips was the view. Tomorrow also for Wednesday, my view is actually buy on dips. And if you ask me the timing, Astro, I'll give just mota mota because I'm traveling. So I'm making the video like super fast. The view is basically up to 10:30. Okay. Up to 10:30, we may, okay, pay attention to this word. We may see downside. Okay. There is no guarantee. But after 10:30, we have a positive sign up to 240, up to 245, and if we have to see any downside tomorrow, then we may see it after 245. So mota mota agar if you ask my view from Astro timing also, it looks like a buy on dips market for me tomorrow also. Now coming to the price action, guys, if we see the price action here, especially in Nifty, we have a bearish engulfing candle here. After the bearish engulfing candle, there is no follow through red candle. Okay, so there is very rare chances that market will make a red candle tomorrow, especially if market gaps down. Okay, so tomorrow also market if gaps down, we have a buy on dips. Okay, I'll give you levels, but if market, so the only sale scenario, buy on dips to hai hai, because up to 10:30 we have like market downside. The only scenario that we might see, let's go to the 5 minutes time frame so it's easy. But if you ask me how would I like to see a candle, I would probably like to see a candle like this tomorrow, right? Something like this, which is ideally a green candle in nature rather than a red candle. Okay, so this is the kind of candle I would personally like to see. That means buy on dips ka scenario kal bhi hai, flat open ho ya market gap down. Okay, right? And market, we are thinking that market might ideally come to the black level that we have just drawn here, 17,483, which is 150 points from today's closing. And in a weekly video, what I told you, this is our do and buy level, do and die level. You could see the kind of buyer and seller fighting at this level. Okay, it went down how much? It went down around 50 points. It went up around 50 points. Okay, so you could easily see the fighting here in around this level, the in the 50 point range of Nifty, right? So it's a very clear sign. The reason why I said this is a do or die level. Okay, now this trading becomes very simple. If you can draw a rectangle pattern here, ideally up to this, okay, the breakout of any of these rectangle patterns, you can take a target of that. Okay, so if I take a target of this, it comes around 109 points, which is 100 points, let's say. And if breaks out this triangle, see, this is coming up to this black level, almost 124 points. The rectangle is a little bit upside. Okay, so you'd the target should be around this. If this rectangle, I mean this day's high, actually previous day's high is broken, ideally we could actually go for a buying of 17,483 easily. Tomorrow we have a sell in here, but this would be a weak sell, guy. This would be a weak sell. Okay, we didn't review the yesterday's video also, Sunday wala video, but Monday, you guys remember I told like 560 in niche market will reach this, and market went up. This is a wonderful sell. We have made a beautiful money here. And then at the end also here we made a buy, beautiful buy. We bought here, we cut here. Anyway, thoda beautiful though nahi, it was a heart attack kind of buy, but we got good money. That was live. So tomorrow, this is actually looks like a weak sell. Okay, the scenario everybody knows my style of trading. If it opens straight on the basically sell zone, which is around this level 17,390. If it does, takes a green candle here, 100%, you become 100% sure market most probably will touch this level 480. So this 100-point buying we should not miss tomorrow. That means if market gaps up tomorrow, my Astro view, that's why I said it, we may see some downside till 10:30. Okay, but my Astro view might I mean, because the word is may, so we might not see any downside in case of if market is opening above 17,390 and sustaining for half an hour to 45 minutes, then with the stop loss of this bottom zone, that was 17,385 on the spot, we can stay for a buying of 100 points. Okay, clear? Now, second scenario, if market opening up directly from this trade zone, okay, sale zone, we would go for buying from our do or die level. We'll give a attempt to buying around 1030. Then market most probably will come and do like this. My view is buy on dips anyway tomorrow. Okay, either the first scenario or the second scenario should happen. We'll see global market where it is opening. But third scenario, which will not miss, let's say for example, market is opening below this do die level. Okay, we do not have any trade. We do not have any trade until we see a second leg of price action on buying here. Then only, else not. Else you would still wait for the do die level 17,312 and then basically go for a buy. Okay, another thing which we did like 2-3 days back, last week we did, if at the buy zone, if you see a W pattern, when I say W pattern, it is actually second leg of price action, right? W pattern, neckline is cut, you can go for a buy. Okay, so these are the 3-4 things that you need to remember tomorrow. Level आपको याद रखना है. Remember, this is no trade zone. Only trade will happen in W pattern on the second leg after the neckline, otherwise not. And the buying level is 17,241. Okay, rest I already explained. The bank nifty may be same. If you look at, this is all the bearish engulfing candle, mota, but this candle, if you look at nifty and bank nifty both, bank nifty would look like a little bit more positive in direction compared to nifty, right? Now, if I come to the 5-minute wala time frame, okay, and see that where we can do trading. So this is our do and die level. What I said, until market is sustaining this level, I would be buy on dips, and that is what happened today, right? That is what I have actually explained in the discussion group before also yesterday. P तो लेने के लिए मना ही किया था, बट मैंने बोला था मार्केट गैप डाउन होगा तो आपको बाय करना है, और वीकली में ये लेवल हमने डिस्कस किया था. नॉट दिस, वी डिस्कस अराउंड 36,600 का लेवल. ओके, एनीवे, एंड यू कैन सी गुड बाइंग हियर. टुमारो क्या होगा, दिस एज आई सेड, निफ्टी से ज्यादा स्ट्रांग मुझे बैंक निफ्टी दिख रहा है. ओके, राइट. The do and die level I have a buying anyway, and the second level of buying I have 36,660. Market शायद यहाँ तक नहीं आएगा unless market is gapping down. In that case, as I explained in Nifty, you do not have any trading between this zone unless you have a W pattern forming and the neckline is being crossed. Okay, clear? यहाँ पे blind buy नहीं कर रहा है. However, we can make a buying if market is coming like this, upper side. We can do a buying from this level if we get, okay, without any W pattern and all this, we can attempt for a buying, market will go up in this scenario. So this is a preferable scenario. Second preferable scenario. The first preferable scenario, I don't have a specific sell zone tomorrow for bank nifty. The sell zone that I can see is here, 17,400, which is like 700 points from our closing. Okay, I'm not sure whether it will come here or not tomorrow in the morning. बाई चांस आ जाता है तो आप सेल कर सकते हो. सो फॉर एग्जांपल मार्केट इज कमिंग अप टू दिस लेवल अराउंड 130, you can go for a sell because we have a sell from 245 to 330, right? So you can go for a sell intraday में, only scalping, right? Okay, otherwise my view is, for example, market इसके ऊपर गैप अप, ये ब्लैक लेवल के ऊपर गैप अप कर जाता है और फर्स्ट हाफ एन आवर टू 1 आवर सस्टेन कर जाता है, there is very high chances that market would ideally probably come here 17,385 most probably. Okay, if it sustains above this level, above this previous day's high for like 1 hour के आसपास, otherwise not. Okay, otherwise it will be invalid. Okay, now so the sell level tomorrow is kind of trading that you can do is this. Okay, this I've already explained this one. Okay, now the third thing is market opens flat. If market opens flat, let's see where market is going. Whenever market is going up, now if you see that it is going to cross day's high, you see struggle of 1 or 2 candle, no, don't buy. A lot of people will buy because it was about to break out. Tomorrow this day high, say we can see a sell, and then we will see a buying around this level. Okay, around this level after 130, like after 1.5 hour of market open. So first pullback tomorrow for yesterday's high, I would not buy tomorrow unless we have a blue candle like this, blue candle piercing this level. On the first touch, I will not buy. Be aware of that. Okay, that is what you need to keep in mind. Tomorrow, I am not sure because I'm traveling, but if there is possibilities, I'll give some live trades. Okay, thank you very much. Good night. Jai Mata.